This video is going to show you step by step how to replace your grill on a Broan 161 or 162 with a service part number S97010349. First thing, unscrew that light bulb or heat lamp that you have in. Next, you can take a look inside. The grill is held on by two grill springs, one on the right and left hand side. What you're going to do is you're going to actually just reach in and you're going to disconnect the grill springs from its holder. Just like so. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab that new grill assembly, and the service part number is S97010349. This is the service replacement grill, comes with springs. This grill comes with two extra springs. If your grill springs are too long, you can use the shorter springs. First things first, take that grill out of the package. There are the extra springs with a little note to the installer. In this situation, we're going to use the springs that came with that grill. And again, all you're going to do is you're going to basically take that grill and you're going to reach in and you're going to connect the springs to that little finger on that housing on the right and left hand side. And that's really all it is. You're going to take that light bulb and you're going to screw that light bulb or heat lamp back in and you're good to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.